Welcome back to Ctube channel. Today we introduce solar conduit. Solar power has become one of the most popular and sustainable choices in the world for commercial or residential applications. Integrating solar panels into energy systems requires proper protection and management of electrical wiring. One key component in solar energy system is solar conduit. Solar conduit is used to enclose and protect the electrical wires that transmit power from solar panels to inverters, batteries, or the grid. Its primary purpose is to provide a secure pathway for electrical wiring while safeguarding the cables from external environmental factors such as moisture, UV exposure, and physical damage. Generally made from PVC or UPVC or metal material, solar conduit provide protection for elements in solar systems to avoid electrical faults or even fire hazards. Compared to traditional conduit, solar conduit is typically optimized through advanced raw materials formulations, ensuring enhanced UV resistance, weatherproofing, and durability for outdoor applications. Ctube offers a wide range of rigid and flexible UPVC solar conduits, along with matching fittings to ensure seamless installations for any projects. Our conduits feature high compression resistance and operate effectively across a wide temperature range of -15 degrees Celsius to 105 degrees Celsius, making them suitable for diverse environments from extreme cold to high heat. Available in various sizes and colors, our products cater to multiple applications while offering customization options to meet specific project requirements. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about our products, follow our channel or contact us directly. Good luck with your projects.